Learn the art of starting a cafe from the master himself, Mr. Sahil Thakkar. With over 15 years of international experience, he has successfully launched and developed multiple cafe brands. We will cover everything you need to know about opening a cafe, right from capital investment, history of cafe, current industry trends, choosing the right cafe model, market research, cafe design and layout, operations, menu creation, pricing strategy, staff management, and more. Looks like a steal deal, right? That's not all. We will also cover the legal and regulatory aspects to get you going. So, if you're looking for a similar roadmap to start your own cafe, IBA is here to help. We just need 10 to 12 days of your time, and you could soon have your own cafe and start your entrepreneurial journey. All the best.